Hello children, welcome to our PBL class. As our lesson, enjoy yourself, it's raining is going on. Today we will see first what we use to wear in the rainy season. We use umbrella, raincoat and rain boots. Rain boots or gum boots also we can say to protect ourselves from the rain. Let's see some more information about the rainy season.
Hello friends. The rainy season has arrived and children love to play in water. So it's time to wear cute gumboots, jump in the puddles, carry colorful umbrellas and wear long raincoats. Today we will learn about the things that we see during the rainy season. We see clouds, thunderstorm, rainbow, rain, and puddles. We use rainwear such as raincoat, gumboots, and carry umbrellas. They keep us dry during the rains. We also see few creatures during the rainy season. Some of them are snakes, frogs,
Snail and earthworm also we can see in the rainy season. Let's see the textual page. Let us observe some pictures on the interactive board. Here are some pictures in our book. What are people doing in these pictures? Here you can see the people are hiding themselves under this polythene to protect themselves from the rain. Here people are carrying the umbrella in the rain to protect from rain. What are animals doing in these pictures? Here you can see the animals or the cat is sitting under the table to protect from rain. Here the bird is protecting itself from rain. What do you see around yourself during the rainy season? Pointers to write. What do you see on road? You can write your own answers. What do you see on road? You can see everywhere waterlog is there. People are running here and there to protect themselves from the rain. How do the plants looks? Plants looks greener after it rains. What do you see in the sky? You can see clouds, lightning and sometimes rainbow during the rainy season in the sky. What do you see in the open field? You can see in the open field new plants growing. You can write your own answer also. Write down here your answers. Look at the picture and answer the questions that follow. Observe this picture. What do you see in the picture? You can see here the girl is enjoying the rain. She wore the raincoat, gumboot. She carry umbrella to protect herself from rain. Dog is there. Frog is there. Everywhere waterlog is there on the road that you can write here. You can write your own answer. What is the girl feeling? Girl enjoying the rain. What is the dog thinking? Here, dog seeing his reflection in the water and looking itself in the water. Observe both the pictures and spot the differences in them. Here one picture is given, here second picture is given. Observe both the pictures and spot the differences. Okay. See children, here the girl is eating the watermelon. Here watermelon is missing. Here juice is there. Here in this picture it is missing. Here water bottle is there. Cold water bottle, it is also missing in this picture. Okay. Here hat is there. It is missing in this picture. In this frame, the girl is carrying the umbrella, but here it is missing. Here frog is there, but in this picture it is missing. Here AC is there, but here it is missing. Okay. Again, in this TV, the girl and the boy and that statue, they are having the woolen cap. Okay, but it is in this here, it is missing. And the statue is having the scarf. It is missing here. Okay. And here you can see the hand fan is there. In this picture it is missing. Again observe by your own this picture. Now, since you have found the missing item in the previous task, just now we have done the task observing the pictures and we have spotted the missing items. Do you know in which season these items are used? Write the missing items according to the different season in the given table. Means whatever picture we have observed, whatever missing items we have observed just now, you have to write down according to the season. Means in winter season, in summer season, in the rainy season. Like this. Here you can see in this picture, here watermelon is missing, juice is missing, cold water is missing, ice cream is also here, ice cream is also missing, the boy is also eating the ice cream, that is also missing, and hat is also missing. Means all these things comes in which season? Available in which season? Watermelon, juice, cold water, hat, AC, ice cream, these things. It will use in summer season. That's why it will come, the name of these items will come in the summer season column. Okay. Here it will come. Means ice cream is missing, watermelon, AC, and hand fan, hat. All the name will come here in the summer season. The missing item are in, it will come in the summer season. Now here you can observe in this frame, the girl is carrying umbrella in the rainy season, and here frog is there, which is here in this frame it is missing. And in which season we use this umbrella? In rainy season, and we see frog mostly in the rainy season only. That's why these two names will come, umbrella and frog will come in the rainy season column. Missing item in the rainy season column. Okay, write down these two names in the rainy season column. You can observe here that woolen cap and scarf is missing. Here it is there and here it is missing. Okay, in which season we use woolen cap and woolen scarf? In winter season. That's why write down these two names in the winter season column. In the winter season column, it will come scarf, woolen cap and woolen scarf. And in the rainy season column, umbrella and frog will come. Now, next question. Which plants and animals do you see in your surroundings in different seasons? Here, winter season. You have to make here two columns, plants and animal. Then in winter season, which plants you see? In winter season, rose, you can write here. In summer season, you can write here sunflower, marigold, lily. In rainy season, as rainy season is very nice for the crop production, then you can write here gulmohar or rice, pulses, anything. Okay. Now here animal. Winter season you can see squirrel. In summer season you can see the lizard. And in rainy season you can write here frog, snail, snake. These names. Okay. In this lesson, you have learnt lot many things about the rainy season. We will meet in our next session. Till that time, have a nice day. Goodbye children. Thank you.